How Do We Celebrate Halloween? By James Wen. About this book. This Halloween photo book shows and explains how children celebrate Halloween in North America. Young learners will find this book easy to read and understand. Contents: Halloween tradition, things associated with Halloween, things we do at Halloween. Halloween tradition. Halloween is on October 31st in the fall, but people usually celebrate it several days before the actual day. Halloween is mainly celebrated in Canada and the United States. Typical Halloween colors are black and orange. Some things associated with Halloween are pumpkins, ghosts, skeletons, monsters, witches, black cats, scarecrows, spiders, parties, trick-or-treating, and spooky fun. For Halloween, we buy orange pumpkins. For Halloween, we cut and clean out the insides of pumpkins by scooping out the seeds and the flesh. For Halloween, we carve funny or scary faces on our pumpkins. Then we put a candle inside. Then it is called a jack-o'-lantern. For Halloween, we decorate our houses and schools. For Halloween, we wear costumes. Who or what do you want to be for Halloween? For Halloween, we also have parties and play games to get candies. For Halloween, we go trick-or-treating to get many candies. For Halloween, we count our candies at the end of the night. Happy Halloween!